Hey, watch on man. Vybz Kartel declare him freedom, brawling, without no apology. Hey, viewers and subscribers, wanna check the analogy. I'ma make you know straight. Retrial, for what? Which part? By who? When? How? Him is a free man. It's serious, no joke the night, you see me a laugh. Hey, watch the man fam, if you're a fan and not yet a member of the gang and you want to be one, please do so right now by subscribing to the channel. Liking the video, it helps the algorithm. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, come join Watch Your Know Media. Be a part of the family. Right, that's a said way. And also leave a comment down below. It helps the channel to grow. And now that we got that all out of the way, Gun Godzilla, cue the intro.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing Watch You Know! The world I forget the stats, you know. You know it's Watch You Know Media, and it's Warlord, Skystar leader. Kaboom! Watch You Know.
Me want go.
So yes, man, viewers and subs, Vybz Kartel's a Freedom Street. Do it, him a do it. Know that him appeal with the Privy Council. Complete. I'm sure Vybz Kartel have a big smile on him face right now. He must feel like Superman, yeah, man of steel. For real. He must say freedom while enough I say appeal. But the world boss I say appeal. Nah, sir. Him not depend that, so I must state him facts. Which me, you, she, the old lady, everybody wouldn't want that for themselves neither. Worse if you are priest of the justice system, don't know like you already. Them did want dash away, them did want sink you like Titanic. You see me I say, them woulda lock you up and throw away the key. If them coulda, them woulda. I'm know Paula Lewin right now. I say she shoulda. You see me? Cause this man been trolling them for like the past 10 years. You know what I mean? Still releasing songs after songs. When you can hear it brawling what him say. Tell Paula she can go suck a dick. You see me? Yo, can't tell her easy though. Tell it, yo dog. Tell it the DDP to go suck. Jello people. You see me I say. Kartel are one of the most controversial artists ever. You see me I say. You have to give him props at the end of the day. You see me I say. He's a very bright youth. He's a very bold youth. He's a youth who always make some form of statement. You see me? Him is more like a diabolical genius. I feel like I do a breakdown upon the whole Kartel being a genius and manipulating the system, you know, people. You see it? Because you know what them keep on say? Yo, you know, say, somebody I use the artist phone make them post it. You see me? And somebody and songs with voice from, you know what I mean? From 2008, 2007. Knowing them for like him can see in the future and write them songs for the future. You see me? So I've been trolling the system for quite a while. You get to me I say, I know, you know what I mean, the system not like him for that and the system want to sink him. You get to me I say, but I don't know the system go by the book. If the system for go by the book, I say by the way. You know what I mean? So, right now, Kartel is innocent in the eyes of the law. You know what I mean? So I just this right there. Whether or not them like it, I saw it go. You see it. Them have to listen to Feed Them Father, Feed Them Daddy from England, you see me? Yeah, the crown. And once the crown talk, say yo, it was sent back to the Jamaica system for them do what them do. You see me? Retry the case. Meanwhile everybody glad and I jump for joy. Kartel make them know straight if they depend that. You see me? The world boss know. So if them ever get a next chance, and if it cross them T's and dot them I's, it would be a different story. And with the Privy Council having to have the murder conviction of Vybz Kartel and his other 3 co-accused quashed, now the ball is now in the Jamaican system court. You get to me and say people, because now the case sent back to the Jamaica Courts of Appeal for them to figure out should Vybz Kartel get a retrial or should they just set him free. You get to me I say. But I know by right the DJ I could probably want bail because I say, you know what I mean, him is no longer a murder convict. You get to me I say people, because you don't know, the murder conviction does not stand anymore. So how long can they hold Vybz Kartel for? You get to me, I say, people, how long can this process be drawn out in terms of the system, you know what I mean, building back the case against Vybz Kartel? Can they find back the witness? You see me? Is the other evidence admissible in the court? Vybz Kartel feeling overly confident in himself right now, sitting a smile, you know what I mean, making some bold statement while atting Miss Lisa Evers from the Fox 5 News, you know what I mean, we reposted this. I feel victorious in this very moment as the Privy Council, in their infinite wisdom, infinite wisdom, big word, understood the assignment and remended the situation by quashing my conviction. I am now back being an innocent man in the eyes of the law. A grave injustice was done to me and my co-accused in the original trial, and subsequently Isaac Buchanan, John Clark, David Islap, Hugh Southey, Julian Mullins, and Alexandra Labec plead my cause, and my cries were heard in the land's highest court. I am also very confident that the Court of Appeal in Jamaica will do the right thing in the name of equity, fairness, and justice, and free us. Some people have expressed their concern to me that a retrial may be ordered, but to them I say, albeit with my limited knowledge of the law, what is there to retry? Indeed, the very same Court of Appeal in Jamaica, while upholding my conviction, clearly stated that one lone eyewitness, Lamar Chow, and I quote, severely impugned himself, meaning he is a liar extraordinaire, and was not believed by the Jamaican Court of Appeal judges. However, they allowed the conviction to stand based on the phone call evidence, which was shown to be tampered with and subsequently rendered useless. Yes, people, so there's a Vybz Kartel and we couldn't know straight say what is there to retrial. Is it me I said the one eyewitness, the court never really believed him. Is it me I said the court say he was a liar to the full extent. Is it me I say a professional liar. And also the phone evidence that was used were tampered with. So that should have get thrown out also. So from them time, the Vybz Kartel shouldn't be convicted of murder. That Vybz Kartel I couldn't know. Watch out now. Phone evidence should have rendered useless and unsafe by analysis from forensic experts hired by my team from the United Kingdom. Not only that, the police officers in the original trial also admitted that they tampered with that text messages using the cell phone machine, and even admitted that they used the cell phone which were in evidence to make phone calls and send text messages to various numbers, including my team lawyer, my baby mother, and to music publishers. With that being said, the most important point to me is that I am an innocent man, so in reality I am not in the least bit worried, as I know I will be acquitted and go home to my family, whom I have not seen together with for over 1 decade. It's a decade. I'm gonna just say one, As me I say. Yes, people, you don't know my teacher teach me English, so if me I read stuffle and a buffle, you have to say with me. Yeah, man, but yes, Vybz Kartel, I couldn't know say your corruption go on and a whole lot of thing go on for them sinking. You get to me I say? See me from the jury, you know what I mean? Misconduct, you see me I say, which them should have dashed the jury and get in some new jury, and also, you know what I mean, the witness, you see me, is a liar, but the court themselves never really believe. You see me, the phone evidence was tampered with, so there is no way or form, you know what I mean, them should have convict him. You get to me I say, people. Yeah, so differently from that, you have the other phone evidence probably. Vybz Kartel and want them really go back there, so you get to me I say, if them not go believe the witness, and the phone was tampered with, enough evidence for them let him go. You see me I say? So, you know, viewers and subs, tell me what you think. You see it? When you feel like Vybz Kartel I go walk free as a free man, or when you feel like all of them evidence of them stacked against him, you see it? Them I go turn around and end up sink him again. But Vybz Kartel I make him know brawling, say yo, none of them thing they were them cook up against me the first time, and now go hurt this time, you know. So brawling, him I make you know straight, say yo. You see me? Retrial for what? Well, none of that no make no sense. All of that only stack up against me. In the first place should have never stand. So I should have walked free from them time there. You get to me I say people. But when you tell me what you think below, comment down below. Let me know what you think. As always, it's a like, comment, share, the notification bell for further updates and videos. Banging! Watch you now.